Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Audio. Audio check. Audio check. Excuse me. Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. I think we can start. Let's go. Let's do this. Going down Paternoster Square, going to Longstock Street. What is it? Okay, welcome to Soul of the Market. It's now 20:53 or 8:53 p.m. in the evening. So we're going to be early. We're 7 minutes advanced. Soul of the Market. Welcome to Soul of the Market. We are now live on 7 continents across the globe. We are now live on all platforms: iPhone, iPad, Kindle, Chromecast, what else? Android, etc., etc. We are now live for the Sunday planning session. All right. So for our Sunday planning session, last week was fabulous. Last week was wonderful. For all those who made it, for all those who were able to catch a lot or made some profits from the cheat sheet. All right. Congratulations. And then for our announcement, July 23, top overview and backdoor session. I will be speaking about the swag trading system between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. So be there early. And then, my apologies to our English-speaking viewer. I'll be speaking English and Tagalog. So pasensya na. Maraming salamat po. In other words, I'll be going bilingual. And then lastly, not yet. July 17. July 17, Tirador Sabak. So we're attempting to do an uphill mountain biking towards the Sky Palace in Tagaytay from New Valley Evo Living parking space. All right. So if you want to join us, 7:30 is the call time. We take off 8 o'clock. No, quarter to 8. Okay. Rain or shine. So make sure you're fit. Make sure you're in full condition before you join us, okay? So, how do we get fit for the next, how do we get fit for the next ride? Anyone? Let me check my screen first. Okay, good morning. So good evening, okay? So how do we get fit for the next ride? Of course, first, you have to do some stretching before our major ride. You have to do some stretching. You have to do some core exercise. What do we mean by core? I mean, you have to strengthen your core. You cannot do uphill. You cannot do climbs. You cannot do fast. You call that fast sprints if you don't have a strong core. Okay, that's the key to fun biking. Biking is fun when you have strong core. Okay, because you cannot always bike on a flat road all the time. So you have to do uphill, you have to do downhill, you have to attack everything. You have to tackle everything. You have to tackle every challenges. Okay, so here I'm gonna give you an example. I'm gonna show you how to do a core. Can you do that? See, hold on. So let me clear this screen. So we have what? 5 minutes to do this. Alright, can you still see me? So there. Okay. So if you want to do a core, this is the first thing you should do. It's like a push-up position. So do this for 30 seconds. Alright? So you have to count 30 seconds. Okay? 30. We're done. Okay, so after that, you have to do a one-hand plank. 30 seconds as well. And then the other one, another 30 seconds. Okay? And then you have to lower down a bit. Another 30 seconds. One hand, another 30 seconds. Another 30 seconds. Alright? Something like that. And then one more. After you do this, the front planking, you have to do the side planking. Something like this. 30 seconds. And then change position. You know what to do. Okay. So warm up. Do this every day. Grabe, pinagpawisan mo. So do that every day, every morning. And next week, probably you'll have a strong core. Maybe you're ready for the climb. Alright? So for now, I mean, even if you're not going to bike, even if you're not going to do something major, you have to do that every day. Why? Because a strong core is the what do you call it? It's the basic necessity for what? For your journey to your weight loss, to getting fit, etc. etc. You cannot have a nice body without a strong core. Alright? I mean, what else? It's important. That's why it's called core. Right? Common sense. So let's go. Let's every day do that. Do the planking every day. Guaranteed. Okay? You'll have a nice tummy, all fat, all tight. Okay ba? So, also my greetings to our OFW, Middle East, Europe, Southeast Asia. Stay safe and stay healthy, okay? So, your families are thinking about you over here. So, mag-ingat kayo dyan. Palagi, okay? So now, let's go to our planning session. Okay? Mahirap mag-trade, tama. You're right. I agree with you, mahirap mag-trade kung hindi ka healthy. Pero sa tingin ko parang magkakasakit ako sa weather. Alright, let me share my screen. Let me set up my screen. Let me set up my screen first. I will resize myself. So, ang tanong, lilipad ba ang ani ni next week? That's the question. Right. I think you can see my screen now. Then I will launch our chart Nexus. For those who are first time with Soul of the Market, I'm using chart Nexus for our charting tool. So I might have a different setup from what you're using. You might be using tradingview.com. So tradingview.com has different setting for our indicators. They're using MA, which is similar to simple moving average. Then MA2 or MA exponential, which is similar to our exponential moving average. Okay. And then before we start our planning session, make sure our settings are correct. And then we make sure for our planning session, we are using swag trading system as our core tool for screening our stocks and screening our picks for next week. All right. So I think we'll have the latest data. We close everything. So we're not going to review stocks from the past week. Although you have some stocks from the past week that you are able to trade, and then you're able to continue sitting on, just sit on it. If you were able to see the swag signals on those stocks, I'm not going to mention them anymore dahil lumipad na sila or they're already what? Yeah, lumipad na nga, so I'm not going to take them anymore. What we're going to review now are the potential swag or those who are in the buy signal. Okay? All right. It's a nice Sunday. We have a fairly good streaming. I think I can do fun signs later. And then, sige. Indicators. Make sure your money flow index is checked. Your parabolic SAR is checked with default settings. MA is checked. Click edit. Make sure it's exponential is not checked. Periods 20-day. MA line is blue. Apply. Okay. And close. Then moving average 2 is checked. Edit. Set to 13. Exponential is checked. MA line should be red. Apply. Apply. And close. Okay. So you're all set for the swag trading system. Alright. So each time you open a chart in Chart Nexus, you will be shown with the swag trading system your signals. Okay. So now let's move on. Actually, marami nakakita ng swag na wala sa screener. Let's move on to our top volumes. Tingnan natin kung sino yung pwede natin i-trade for next week. Or potential. Okay? So for example, we have AR one more time. So AR, I'm just gonna put it on the watch list, but I'm not telling you to trade this, okay? Because it's SMA 20 over MA 13 with a lot of selling from the previous trading day. Okay, so if you like AR, just go ahead. Good luck. Okay. So mabilis lang tayo. OV, SMA 20 over MA 13. So actually, this two has already been in our cheat sheet in the past few weeks. All right. What else? Hold on. We're already. $60. Thank you very much. Sorry about that. OV, we have MA, SMA 20 over MA 13, still ongoing, so put this on our cheat sheet. OPM, bilis lang. OPM, forget about it. UPM, SMA 20 over MA 13, pwede. But if the signal is not clear, leave it. But I'm gonna put it down on my cheat sheet just in case because we have a SMA 20 over MA 13. The money flow index is going down below 20% oversold. All right. MRC Allied, forget about it. Congratulations to those who were able to ride on it. Okay. Geo. Okay, I think Geo is being talked about in other closed groups. So we already saw that. SMA 20 over MA 13. Medyo dapa na yata ito eh. Medyo lang. So money flow index below 20% oversold. So I guess it's you just wait for, probably you can bid at that 280 if you like this stock, or just watch it. I'm putting it on the list. BHI SMA 20 over MA 13. All right, it's forming a cup and handle in the long term, but yeah, let's put it on our watch list since it's already SMA 20 over MA 13. Money flow index going towards 20% oversold, although it's in the middle. Then Mega World, forget about it. Vita Rich, forget about it. PA, forget about it. Cyber, forget about it. APO, careful, alright, careful. If you like this stock, you should know, where's the intraday bottom tomorrow, alright? Otherwise, forget about it. Now, forget about it. LI, the signal isn't clear, money flow index is up. You can put it on the list, probably it's already SMA 20 over MA 13. Let's see. Yeah, okay, let's put LI on the list. Although the signal isn't clear, like I said. We just put it on the list. LI, forget about it. No, don't forget about it. Put it on the list. Basic. Basic, forget about it. Okay. Although nag-cross na, but you should know how to raise your time. And then LC, still on the list, still ongoing. Alright. Ayala Land, forget about it. MPI, forget about it. Let me answer this first, okay? Yes. All right. We have MPI. Then we have what? STI. Forget about it. Signal isn't clear. Ever. SMA 20 over MA 13 with the wow. Ayos to ah. Ever. Put it on the note. Ever. Somebody just buying up Ever. Why? Alright. IS. IS. Forget about it. If you want to sit on it, it's okay. SSI, congratulations. But for those who don't have SSI, forget about it. Okay? Mrs. G, likewise. If you don't have Mrs. G, forget about it. BRN. Again, if you don't have BRN, forget about it. VUL, forget about it. If you fail to catch on from this level, 123, yes, forget about it. We have a lot already. Abacor, watch this, okay? Watch this. And if you want to go in, you will probably want to go in at maybe the last unserved asking price, or the last, yeah, the last unserved asking price, not the last unserved bidding price, okay? One day bullish, and it's quite going strong for some reason. Spot, maganda yung spot niya, eh, oh. Maganda yung pattern niya. Okay? I mean, the swag signal is quite clear. No? It's a no-brainer, but still, I cannot guarantee against loss. Okay? If it failed you or naikit ka along the way next week, we cannot guarantee against loss. That's the way it is. This is the stock market. This is not the charitable institution. So you're always responsible for your trades and actions. All right. VLL, forget about it. Blue, forget about it. If you don't have this stock, forget about it. Or if you do, and you're hopeful for 10, probably 10. Are you hoping for 10? Something like that? Well, good luck. It might take a while. FNI is still estimate 20 or maybe 13. So just put it on the watch list. So now we'll go to our top gainers, and then later on we will go to the stocks that you want me to look at. But make sure you know the swag trading system. If you don't know the swag trading system yet, look at our channel in YouTube. There's a swag trading system London edition. You can start from there. There's a swag trading system Cebu edition. You can also watch from there. Whatever, anyway, you choose. I'm gonna learn something. Okay. Anyway, so we'll go to our top gainers. Pero I'm a little bit okay. I'm a little bit excited about Avatar. APO, forget about it. Annie, look at our sponsor. Let's check it out. Where's that? Yeah, there. So Annie, estimate 20 over MA 13. Last Friday, it was what? First day on the bullish pattern. Okay. Money flow index going up. Are we on the way up to 5? Who knows? Maybe, but not in the immediate. Not soon. I mean, you're not gonna jack up this stock up to 5 in one day. No way. All right. Depends. Benguet mining, forget about it. Jazz, estimate 20 over MA 13. Now forget about it. OM, estimate 20 over MA 13. Enfin, Makati Finance, forget about it. Well, another one for Abacor. APC. Poppy, forget about it for now. If you don't have Poppy, forget about it. SSI, forget about it. DWC, forget about it. SOC, forget about it. Crown Asia, mabilis lang talaga. Crown Asia, forget about it. PHA, I guess it's going to reverse soon. The parabolics are going to reverse soon. Money flow is going up. I guess pwede pang humabol. I guess lang, pwede pang humabol. Okay? So, trade with caution. Cyber, forget about it. Bloomberry, forget about it. Sirtec, congratulations to Tech. Holder last week. You saw the signal, you traded the signal. So, congratulations. And then, for those who don't have Tech, forget about it. Okay. SGI, forget about it. Although parabolic SAR is what? Parabolic SAR is very bullish, and the flow index is up, but SMA 20, MA 30 is already cross na yun. It's already MA 13 over SMA 20. Alright? So you don't know what's going to happen next. You might want to go in and try SGI. I'm not gonna put it on the cheat sheet. You might want to put it on your list, but if you want to trade it again, SGI looks bullish anyway. If you want to trade it tomorrow, go ahead. Again, I cannot guarantee against this. Right? Okay, and then what else? We're done with the gainers. Let's close it. Let's go to the losers, because the losers of today, again, are the winners of tomorrow. Okay? FPI, forget about it. Vita, forget about it. OPM, forget about it. BRN, forget about it. KPH, SMA 20 over MA 13. Really, if you want to trade this stock, go ahead. I'm just going to put it on the cheat sheet. TBC on the cheat sheet, but I think I'm gonna circle ABA 4. LCD on the cheat sheet. Alright? Mabilis lang ang swag trading system. If you can observe, those who are first time with the swag trading system, it's just simply SMA 20 over MA 13 as our primary buy signal. And then money flow index going towards 20% oversold when we are picking from the bottom. Alright? And then the parabolic stop and reverse when we try to determine the trend, when the trend is going to end or when the trend is going to start. Alright? BC, forget about it. Alco, forget about it. Food, forget about it. For those who don't have food, forget about it. This is long term. Food is long term. Okay? LMG, forget about it. MVC, forget about it. Geo, SMA 20, Geo we already have it. Tugs, forget about it. Apex, forget about it. LC, it's already on the list. Nickel Asia, it's already, forget about it. Ionics, forget about it. ICT, forget about it. So we're all done with our planning session as far as the most active, the most trending stocks are concerned. We're done with our planning session. So I have to look at what you're talking about, ARA or C. What's that? Let me go to that list. Okay, CPM. Let's look at CPM. Make sure you have already reviewed CPM before you ask me. Where's that? Oh, that's Century Peak. Okay, CPM, good call. SMA 20 over MA 13, money flow index is going in with just a little volume, but still it's a good volume. Okay, if you sum up the the volume from here, starting at July 6 up to last Friday. I think it's a good volume. I think it's a good volume. Okay, put it on this, put it on your cheat sheet. Okay, but I don't think. No, if you want to trade it, just watch it on Monday tomorrow on the opening because it's going to cross. All right. So good call. Whoever put on CPM, Lester Daduya, thank you very much for seeing that. IMP. I don't think IMP is, let's see, Imperial. Imperial, there's no signal. Forget about it. I'm really sorry. If you happen to buy it from when it was being hyped at 37.45, I'm really sorry right now. I guess you have to sit for a longer period of time. Then, wait, no sound? No, there's a sound. VLL, let's look at VLL. VLL, nag-cross na yan eh. Forget about it. If you already bought VLL from 4, congratulations, it's already on an upward direction. So nag-cross na yan. And EMA 13 over SMA 20 na yan. So forget about it. Just let the profit run. What else? TA. TransAsia. TA, SMA 20, thank you very much. It's a good call. Money flow index is coming from 20% oversold. Okay, so I think there's some people are starting to buy from the bottom, from the new bottom, or just from a theoretical bottom. Okay, uh, yes, put it on the list. TA, it's a good call. So who said TA? Lester Daduya, again, sipag mag-ano. Sipag maghanap ni Lester. Congratulations. Now, forget about it. Okay, SBS, AB, SBS, I don't have too much on SBS right now. Let's look at ABA. ABA, I think is, I'm not gonna say anything. Just watch it on next week. Okay, but since you see me smiling, never mind. It's another one, SBS. SBS, the signal isn't clear. If you want to trade it, trade it. But if the signal isn't clear, leave it, and then at least your risk is minimized. Then we have DFNN. Let's look at DFNN. Make sure all the stuff that you're calling are in the swag buy signal. DFNN, wow. Well, it's up to you, but this looks like a very good bottom fishing pattern. SMA 20 over MA 13. So I'm gonna put it on the list, DFNN. So good call again for DFNN. Ani already. Who's calling out? Okay, Al. Okay, Altera. Altera, there's no the signal isn't clear about Altera. It's just consolidating. Okay, The swag signal has to be clear. Like for example, no. Example, BFNM, ABA, Abacor, ABA. Those are those are good examples of a swag buy signals. TA as well. What else? Yeah, those are the few good examples of a swag buy signal. Altera, if you know something about it, then go ahead. We're not part of the conversation. Hindi kami kasali sa usapan, so hindi kami sasali. Okay? So if you see something about Altera, whatever information, non-material information, material information, whatever. Okay? Go ahead, trade Altera, but the swag signal is not clear, I'll leave it. Okay? What else? What else? ARA swag, okay? And then house. House, estimate 20 over MA 13, but, okay, still wait for further correction, okay? Because the signal, once again, is not clear, okay? If you want, if you're interested in the house, wait for further correction because the signal isn't clear. Then, all right, AGI. Okay, make sure that the stocks are calling from as a buy signal from swag. Okay, AGI, good call. Pero let's wait further for the 20% oversold from the money flow index. Maybe just wait for a while. Don't go in yet. Maybe you can bid at 14.8 one more time or 14 AGI. So that's a good call for AGI. CDC. Okay, CDC. Let's look at CDC. CDC SMA 20 over MA 13. That's an early signal for a buy. But money flow index is going up. Money flow index is going up, but the volume is too low. Okay, put it on the list. Put it on the list. Okay, but I don't think you should trade this one. Yeah. Okay, ang bilis ng planning session natin. But okay, we have a new quiz. All right, I'm gonna put a new quiz on our Solve the Market page. So this quiz, we got a prize. So last quiz winner was Hezron Tan. He won a pack of 1 month supply of white coffee. So congratulations. So today's quiz is a very simple question. Simple lang yung quiz natin. Let me put it up on Facebook. Solve the Market. So be quick and be ready. Okay? So your answer should be posted here, not elsewhere. So I'm going to put on the quiz now from the live stream. From the live stream. All right. The live stream. What are the core indicators of the swag trading system. Publish, go. All right. In exact terms, okay? Exact terms. No, no other way around. Exact terms. Okay. So wait for it. Wait for it to be posted, and then post your answers. Yeah. So there. Okay. We got a sound, I guess. Anyone else having problem with the audio? Okay, sound check. Anyone else have got a problem with the audio? We got a sound, I guess. Let me sound check. Anyone else having problem with the audio? Okay, we have an audio. Our audio is clear. Okay, so for those having problem with the audio, better check your volume, better check your sound chips, better check your sound cards, etc., etc. Our audio is clear. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. The quiz is now posted in the Solve the Market page. So it's whoever get the first answer wins. In exact terms, what are the indicators used in the swag trading system? Okay. So now, I'm now going to shut down my. I'm now going to shut down my screen sharing. All right. So we are now done with our market review, market planning session. I've done with our cheat sheet. Our next step, of course, is to drill down our cheat sheet. So it's not my responsibility anymore. This is your individual assignments. This is your individual task. This is your job description as a swag trader. All right. So you have to drill down and then pick which one. Pick from yourself which do you think has the strongest signal, and then trade from it. Okay. I think that's what everybody else is doing. All right. So we're now. Yeah. Your favorite part of the show. What else? All right. The answer should be posted in the Soul of the Market page. All right. Yoni Amba, thank you for watching Soul of the Market. 115. Thank you very much. Adrian Andujar, thank you for watching Soul of the Market from Qatar, from UAE, Qatar. Yeah, thank you very much. Dante Arlan Bulan from Al Khobar. Where's Al Khobar? Saudi Arabia. Okay. Uh, stay safe, stay healthy, take care. Ingat kayo dyan. Christopher Soriano, thank you for watching Soul of the Market. O yan, Tom Zubiaga, thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Okay? Show this to your wife. Screenshot. Sandali. Wait, I'm gonna post a better screenshot for you. Ha? Alright, do it. Jabray Katungal from Sun Life. Okay? Thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Tagasan si Christopher. Merlando Cortez, thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Tagasan si Christopher. Where are you from, Christopher Soriano? Oliver de Guzman, thank you for watching Soul of the Market. And then, what's your real name, Gigi? Gigi from South Korea. Gigi from South Korea. Thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Uh, Winner will be announced once I saw who were able to post the answer first. Okay. Mamaya I will announce the winner. Who's that? Rochelle Bolivar. Thank you for watching Soul of the Market. G Lord from Singapore. Thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Abu Dhabi. Daming OFW. Okay. Lloyd Jane from Riyadh. Thank you for watching Soul of the Market. PJ Padua. Thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Natawa ko kasi you're the first one who commented from that Hammersmith I Remember You video. Alright? The base cover. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, look for in Facebook, look for Hammersmith, search Hammersmith and like the page. That's my personal no. That's my personal page for all my base covers. So I aside from doing stocks, doing my day job, doing biking, etc. etc. Okay, I have a lot of activities. One of my favorite hobbies is playing the bass guitar, as evidently as you can see from the back. So I have a different page from that. It's called Hammersmith. The reason it's called Hammersmith because it's one of the town I live in London, so it's called Hammersmith. But such a nice name. So I adopted the name Hammersmith. Ronald Rabo, thank you for watching Soul of the Market from Riyadh. Okay, stay safe, stay healthy, take care of yourself. Okay. Joseph Barreno, thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Then sino kasi Mr. Right? From Tondo, si Mr. Right. Mr. Wright, thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Talagang dinudumog yung fans niya. Lester Daduya from Cainta Rizal. Thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Si Lester Daduya, isa sa mga magaling na swagger. He were able to spot a lot of stocks that I'm not able to spot because I'm too lazy to go through a lot of stocks. Because we have 300 companies listed in the stock market. So I cannot do it all by myself. Some people has to do it, like Lester. So congratulations and thank you. Mark J79 from Pampanga. Thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Simon Paul Zamora. Thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Makinig ka sa tatay mo. Makinig ka sa daddy mo about swag. Okay? You will be the swag traders of the future once our market reaches the value turnover of 20 billion daily. Okay? So kayo na yun. That's your generation. The replay will be uploaded once I finish the live stream. So it will be uploaded within 30 minutes after finishing the transmission. Okay? Kim Trivaldo, thank you for watching Soul of the Market from Singapore. All right? Singapore le. Ken. All right. I guess that's all for this Sunday planning session. I guess we're done. I guess we're done. We have such a wonderful second half of 2016, I think. So, once again, thank you for watching Soul of the Market. See you on Wednesday. I am now ending. Again, I am now ending my transmission.